Hello Earthlings, my name is Prathamesh and in this video I will show you how to install JDK and IntelliJ IDE. So to install JDK, first of all we have to go on Google and search as JDK download. Now this is an official website of Oracle. Now click on this. Now scroll down. Now we have to install one stable version. See here JDK 25 is the latest long-term support. The LTS version is an always stable version, so we have to download this version. So click on JDK 25. Now I am using Windows operating system, so we are going with Windows and for 64-bit installer. So click on this link to download for 64-bit compiler. See, downloading is started here. It will take some time based on your internet connectivity. Now double click on this. Click on next. See, this is asking for path of installation for JDK. So I will keep it as default in program files Java JDK 25. So click on next. Now close this. Now whether we have successfully installed it or not. To check this, we have to go in CMD. For this, search as a CMD and here type as Java hyphen version. See, we have successfully installed the JDK version of 25. Now close this. Now we have to set the path in environment variables to use the JDK in every IDE. So to do this, we have to search as env. Now click on this. Click on environment variables. Now here in system variables, we have to click on new and type variable name as Java underscore home. Home should be capital and its value will be the path where we have installed our JDK. So the path was in C drive program files Java JDK 25. So copy this path simply and paste it here in variable value. Click on OK. Now click on this path. Click on edit. Here click new and you have to simply paste the path which I have given in the description box, which is like Java home bin. Now click on OK. OK and here also click on OK. Now our JDK installation is done. Now we will download the IntelliJ IDE. So to download this, we have to come in Google and search for IntelliJ download. Now click on this link. Now click on this download. See, downloading is started successfully. It is downloaded successfully. Now double click on this. Now wait for some time. Click on the next. See, this is asking for path again. I will keep it as default. Now click on next. Here create desktop shortcut. Add bin folder to path and add open folder as a project. And in association, click on this .java. This is sufficient. Now click on next. Here also keep it as default and click on install. Now it will take some time. See, this is installed successfully. Now click on finish and search for IntelliJ IDEA. Double click on it. Now skip import. See, this is an IntelliJ IDEA, which is an IDE mainly used for Java projects. Now we will try with one project. Click on new project. Name it as demo project and we will keep the location in downloads. Select folder and keep build system as manual and simply create new project. See, this is our project. We can remove this all code and we can write class main and inside it main method and simply we will print hello world. Now we can try this. We will run this. See, hello world. We are getting successfully hello world as an output. So thanks for watching, guys.